I'm swimming with one arm. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi everyone. We are headed out to the beach. We're all squished back here. Ah, my crackers! Wait, don't let them spill. Hold on. Ah! Are you Logan Paul? No. Oh gosh, I am not fit for this right now. Oof! I'm swimming with one arm. I'm swimming with one arm. Yeah. Oh my god. No. It's the ocean. Sandbar, and we came from all the way. It looks like the Bahamas right here, but we are definitely not in the Bahamas. We are at Port DeSoto. It's completely clear. Oh my gosh, this is so clear. Wow, look at this huge, actually it's not that big, but look, Isaiah, it's a cage. Oh my god. What? Oh my gosh!
It's alive. I gently pulled his tongue that was in the ground.
Oh my gosh, Isley! Look, he found this alive. What even is this thing?
I think it's a clam.
Clam? Can we eat this?
Kylie, no.
I don't eat these anyways. Isley's trying to dig up this old cage. But I told him he would get like a tetanus or whatever it's called. So I don't think that's a good idea. It's like the Bahamas.
Yeah,
but we're not in the Bahamas. Okay, so we just took some pictures at the beach and now we are leaving. Okay, so we are currently walking. We just came to the beach and the palm tree park thing. And we tried to take pictures, but I don't know, didn't really work. So me, my sister, and my aunt all went to go see The Purge, the new one. We just saw the new Purge, it was okay. And yeah, we're waiting for fireworks and we're about to eat, so I'm excited. We are on our way to go get Kilwins, and it looks like it's gonna rain, but we don't know if Kilwins is open because it's 4th of July, but we're gonna walk really far and find out.